Hey guys, this is Tony and Tegan from freshcutmushrooms.com, and today we're going to be making a fresh mushroom recipe using shiitake mushrooms. So we're going to be making shiitake sliders. This is a recipe made for us by Chef Teresa Hansen at chefhansen.com, and they're going to be super good, so let's get started. So these are basically barbecue pulled pork sliders, but instead of using pork, we're using shiitake mushrooms. So the first step is to thinly slice the shiitakes with the onions, and then we're going to fry them up and season them and use that for, I guess, the insides of the pork slider.
So we're going to heat our avocado oil, and we're going to add our mushrooms and onions and saute for 6 to 8 minutes.
So once our mushrooms have cooked for a little bit, we're going to add our seasonings, which is the garlic, the apple cider vinegar, the barbecue sauce, and the paprika to get that nice kind of barbecue flavor. And then we're going to have to cook it a bunch more to get the shiitake mushrooms to be nice and tender and kind of get that nice texture that we need for the sliders.
So now we're going to add our barbecue sauce. We're going to reduce the heat and cover and simmer for 8 to 10 more minutes.
Okay, so while our shiitake is finishing cooking, what is a good slider without a really good slaw? So we're going to mix up a slaw to go along with it, and then we're going to be able to add that on top of the shiitake to make a perfect shiitake slider.
The slaw is going to be half purple, half green cabbage. So I like a really thin slaw, so I'm going to use a handheld grater. Makes it a little more consistent and easier than sitting there chopping it with a timber. So we're also going to go ahead and grate a carrot. Again, I have it set very thin, just to be consistent with my really thin cabbage, but you can slice it really however you want to dice it. And now we're going to add our cabbage and carrot into a bowl. And we're going to top it with our lime juice, olive oil, and salt and pepper.
So here's our slider buns. We're just going to toast them up to make them nice and crispy. And that's it. So now we're just going to load up these sliders with a shiitake mushroom mixture. And with the slaw.
So there you have it, shiitake mushroom pulled pork sliders.
They're so good, like the texture and the flavor is just like pulled pork. So if you want this recipe, head over to freshcutmushrooms.com/recipes, or it'll be posted below. And yeah, I highly recommend you check these out. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.